Hi, this is a quick video intended for new collectors about using standard 2x2 coin holders. These holders are useful for protecting coins from damage, displaying them, and listing information about the coin itself. First, place the coin in the center of the see-through plastic. Try to hold the coin by the edges as you do not want to leave smear marks on your fingers on the surface of the coin. Also make sure it has the correct orientation, so as for example if it's looking like this, it's not going to look good for display. Also use a holder that fits the denomination well as shown here at this 50 cent. If a dime were placed in this large holder for example, it would likely slide or rotate if it is moved around too much. Next, flip the other half of the coin holder over the coin, ensuring that it is still centered properly. After this, you're going to want to staple it shut. The way I prefer doing this is 3 staples that kind of form an incomplete square. And there are other ways to do this, like diagonally, but I prefer to do it this way. Something really important to note here is to not staple too close to the coin, as this may risk stapling the coin itself. If that happens, it will likely damage the coin, can devalue it, and it's not going to look good for presentation that way. So after you've done this, the coin should be secure and ready to go. Lastly, you may want to write the coin specifications such as the date, denomination, or grade. So for this one, I'm going to write 1937 the top right, as that's what the year of this coin is. If you intend to sell the coin, say if you're a dealer, you may want to write the price in the bottom right here so it's easier for your customers to know your asking price. I hope this tutorial was helpful for some of you new collectors, as this is important knowledge for storing and displaying your coins. Thanks for watching.